Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are discussing one of the cornerstones of ISO 14001, the principle of continuous improvement in an environmental management system or EMS. Continuous improvement ensures that your organization's environmental performance evolves over time, driving sustainability, efficiency, and resilience. Let's explore what this means and how it can be effectively implemented. At the heart of ISO 14001's continuous improvement philosophy is the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle or PDCA. This iterative process helps organizations refine their EMS and adapt to changing environmental, regulatory, and business contexts. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1 is Plan. Here the organization sets its environmental objectives and develops a roadmap to achieve them. This stage includes identifying environmental aspects and impacts, assessing risks and opportunities, and determining compliance obligations. It's about laying a solid foundation for improvement. Next is Do. This is where plans are put into action. Implement operational controls, training programs, and communication strategies to ensure your EMS functions effectively. Whether it's reducing energy use, minimizing waste, or engaging stakeholders, this stage translates planning into measurable actions. Then comes Check. Monitoring and measuring environmental performance is critical. Conduct internal audits, track key performance indicators, and review compliance with environmental laws and standards. This step identifies gaps, non-conformities, and opportunities for improvement. Finally, we have Act. Based on the findings from the check phase, take corrective actions, make adjustments to processes, and improve performance. This step ensures that lessons learned are incorporated into future planning, creating a cycle of continuous enhancement. Key practices for continuous improvement. To make continuous improvement a reality, here are some best practices. Engage leadership. Ensure top management actively supports and drives improvement efforts. Set SMART goals. Objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Leverage technology. Use data analytics and environmental monitoring tools to identify trends and areas for enhancement. Foster a culture of sustainability. Involve employees at all levels and encourage innovative ideas for improvement. Stay adaptive. Regularly review and adapt your EMS to align with new regulations, technologies, and stakeholder expectations. Continuous improvement is a journey, not a destination. By embedding this principle into your EMS, you ensure that your organization is always moving toward greater sustainability and efficiency. ISO 14001 gives you the framework. Now it's up to you to make it a reality. Thank you for joining and watching this session. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. See you next time. Thank you.